What is DNS? DNS stands for Domain Name System. It works like the Internet's phone book. It translates human-readable domain names like www.google.com into IP addresses like 142.250.190.68 that computers use to communicate with each other. The DNS system follows a hierarchical structure from top to bottom. Root level, top-level domain. Google, second-level domain. Subdomain or third level, google.com. Let's see what happens when you type www.google.com into your browser. Step 1, root level. The query starts at the DNS root server, which is represented by a dot. It doesn't contain a visible name but is implied in every domain. The root server responds with the location of the top-level domain, TL server for .com. Step 2, top-level domain. Your computer contacts the .com TLD server and asks where to find google.com. The TLD server replies with the authoritative name server for google.com. Step 3, second-level domain, google.com. Your computer asks the google.com server where to find www.google.com. The server responds with the IP address, such as 142.25.190.68. Step 4, connecting to the website. Now your browser uses that IP address to connect to Google's server and loads the website. Root domain is .top-level domain is .com, second-level domain is Google, and subdomain is Google. Types of top-level domains: generic TLDs like .org, .net, country code TLDs like .uk, United Kingdom, new TLDs like Top Tech Online,